Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to delete cache and cookies in Google Chrome. So to start, I want you to know that clearing your cache and cookies in Google Chrome is a great way to keep your browsing experience smooth and secure. So please open your Google Chrome and then look up at the top right corner of the browser and you'll see three dots in a vertical line. Click on those dots to open the menu. Now, once the menu is open, hover your cursor over More Tools, and then a sub-menu will appear, and from there, click on Clear Browsing Data. A new tab will open up with a list of options. You'll see browsing history, cookies and other site data, and more. So make sure these options are selected. You can see it's already selected here on my end. And then after that, choose a time range. Please select all the time or all time. So once you've made your selections, click on the Clear Data button. Chrome will start clearing out the selected data, which might take a few moments. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete cache and cookies in Google Chrome. By doing this, you're ensuring a clean and secure browsing experience. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to delete cache and cookies in Google Chrome. Remember, giving your browser a little cleaning from time to time can go a long way in improving its performance. See you on my next video.